Bueno launched a dual-facing, all-wheel drive stroller. They come with several unique features which is very interesting. Let's welcome Bueno Beluga DriftX from Malaysia. Bueno Beluga suffer from newborn up to 22 kg, approximately 5 years old, having an outstanding outer look which is easy to recognize with the combination of black color, matte gold, leather and shining gold. Come with aluminium frame, leather handlebar and bumper bar, large canopy and fully expandable to protect your baby from sun and rain. Ready with peekaboo window and a full ventilation window at the back of the stroller. There's a unique features on Beluga Canopy where it's lower, closer to your baby to provide better protection from the wind and the splash water during raining. When your baby grow into toddler, you can easily adjust the canopy back to its actual height. Let's look at the original cushion. It provides a firm and thick cushion from head all the way to hip, and the fabric surface is soft and smooth. The leg rest surface is using waterproof material for easy cleaning. Thick shoulder padding, 5-point harness and using magnetic buckles. Parents will emphasize on comfortable. This is a cotton air mesh infant padding that perfectly fit into Beluga. It's so neat and tidy. Removable bumper bar, 2-level adjustable leg rest, 3-level mechanical backrest. The backrest can be further adjusted up to 65 degrees. Provide a better back support for your baby compared to others. Having high seat level with 53 cm, give your baby a better view of the world. This is a dual-facing stroller where you can easily pull this trigger and switch over the handle to parents facing in just seconds. Now let's observe the wheel, which is front wheel swivel right now. So when you switch over the handlebar, it will automatically switch over the control to front wheel swivel again. To enter all-wheel drive mode, easily adjust the handlebar to the center, and now you can swing your stroller left and right, or spin your stroller to your preferred direction. 4-wheel suspension, front and back. Beluga is using soft suspension. Give parents a smooth drive for indoor and outdoor. Come with 4 individual brakes. Storage basket to fit in baby traveling needs. To fold the stroller, easily push and press the button, fold it down. It can stand alone. It's slim and compact. Unfold the stroller with the same button. Push, press, hold it up. And you are ready to go. Accessory cup holder is ready for you. In summary, Bueno Beluga DriftX all-wheel drive stroller suitable for parents who want a dual-facing compact stroller. Emphasize on comfortability, prefer user-friendly, easy mechanism, and most important, with all these special features, is offering at a very reasonable and affordable price in Malaysia. Let's check out Bueno Beluga at My Lovely Baby for extra value. Follow us for more product review video.